Hey guys, it's your favorite Ellen girl Naya here, and I'm back with another hair video. This video is in partnership with CURLSQUEEN hair extension, so I'm very excited to be doing this. They sent me over the Coarse Kinky curly clip-ins. These are 14 inches in the color natural black. The hair texture is 4B, 4C, and if you'd like to purchase these clip-ins after you see how I style them, everything will be down below in the description. Last night I did my braid down. I did just cornrows in the back. These two front pieces are the pieces that I'm going to use to blend my leave-in, so I'm going to just go ahead and clip those to the side. Braids I have in the back are going to be covered with the curly clip-in, so each clip-in have clips, of course. I've washed this hair. This is the natural hair texture. I haven't done any twists, any kind of braid out yet to this hair. So this is how the 4B, 4C texture looks like. For the first row, I'm going to use 3 clips at first. So just pop the clips open just like so. And this goes on the bottom. That's the first row. And then we have a clip of 4. Let me find that one. This one. So this have 4 clips on there. I'm going to do 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, and then if I need extra, I'm going to use the clips with 2 clips. So this row has 4 clips on there. I'm going to put it above the row with the 3 clips, which is already in my head. This one have 5, and what I'm doing is just clipping it to the braid. So once it's hooked on a braid, I just go ahead and push it down and do that with all the clips. Then I'm doing 4. It's looking full already, which I'm happy about. And then going to the tree, one with 3 clips. Okay. Alright, so this is how it looks almost done. As you can see, it's already a full head of hair, so you really don't need too much hair. I have a few more pieces that has just 2 clips. For these pieces, I'm going to clip them in the opposite direction. So I want to do like a flip over kind of method. I want to wear my hair in the middle and also on the side. So what I'm gonna do is take 2 clips, or the one with 2 clips, and do it like, I guess you could say a bang. Kind of like that, just right in the front. When it comes to the actual leave out, as you guys can see, I did 2 twists, and I will also do 2 twists on this side as well. I got a little mousse. This is my favorite mousse at the moment, the Mayel pomegranate and honey curly fine mousse with hold, and we're gonna do that. Make sure my hair looks very full. That's how I want my hair to look. Okay, so let's take these clips out. You can leave your hair like this if you want to, but I personally want to define and do a twist out just like the front of my head. So that's what I'm going to do with the same mousse, the same Mayel mousse. Let me get my spray bottle. Spray bottle just to wet the hair. just finished twisting up my head. This is the front, which is my natural hair, of course. Natural hair on the side, and then everything else is the clip-in hair that I twisted up. If I need to, I'll go under the dryer for a few minutes. I don't think I'm going anywhere anytime soon, so I'm probably not going to have to do that at all. But these are how the twists look, very juicy. This literally looks like my natural hair, which is so crazy. I'll let this dry and then I'll be back to you guys. Good morning. It is the next day, obviously, because I look very different, but today I'm gonna take my hair down. To do my take down, I'm gonna just use a little bit of castor oil and I put it in the palm of my hands. This is how it looks, a big old twist, which is good because that means it's gonna have a lot of volume, which I really like. Make sure you twist it. When you undoing it, make sure you go the opposite way of the way you twisted it before. Yes. These are our little regular twists out, and now I'm just gonna go through and separate my hair. As you can see, and that piece, it already started to separate on its own. Just need to pull the hair a little bit and see where it naturally wants to separate, and go ahead and do that. You don't want to tug on it too hard because you don't want to frizz up your hair. But if you want frizz, I mean, do that of course. But I want, you know, a little more defined, so I'm going to try to naturally separate it, just like so. Before I continue to fluff the rest of my hair out, I'm going to pull the clip-in hair back and take my regular hair out. This is how the hair looks. I want to keep fluffing it some more, but I know throughout the day it's gonna look way better, so I'm gonna just leave it here. But I do love how it blends into my hair. Like, you literally can't tell this is my hair and this is my hair, and my hair is on the side. I'm just going to use a hairspray. This is just a random spray I picked up, the Tresemme Extra Firm Control. I actually really like this spray. This is just so my hair doesn't look too out of place. Where I live is very humid, so my hair could easily frizz up very fast. I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Everything for the hair will be linked down below in the description. Also a code so you can get some money off your purchase. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.